everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because we are going to be doing an unboxing of my brand new MacBook Pro in here. So we're going to be doing that. So if you guys want to see what MacBook I got, just go ahead and keep on watching. But before we do get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also go ahead and turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload, and also follow me on social media. I'll have my Instagram right here for you guys. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, you guys, so I have this huge box from Best Buy. I actually did curbside pickup this morning, so we're gonna go ahead and tear this thing open. I'm so excited. I haven't seen it. Oh, you can already see the box. And we're going to go ahead and just slide it out. And here it is. Here's my MacBook. Alright, so I got the MacBook Pro in 16 inches. And I got the 2.3 GHz 8-core Intel Core i9. I have no idea what that means. And this has the touch bar and the touch ID, and it also comes with the Magic Keyboard, and what else? 16 megabytes. So that's what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and let's get this thing open. Okay, that was not as alright. This is really nice. And I'm going to show you guys my computer that I have. Okay, so this is the MacBook that I have. And this is, I believe it's the 2013 or the 2014 MacBook Pro in 13 inch. This has been a really good computer. I would definitely recommend it to anybody. I would suggest getting it because it has lasted me a really long time, but I just wanted to upgrade because I do the videos, and then I'm also working from home a lot, so I thought this would be just a good transition, and it was just time for a new computer. Let's be honest, it was time. Alright, so we're gonna get this opened. And I got it in silver. I know a lot of people prefer the space gray, but I have everything in silver. My iPad Pro is in silver, and so I wanted to continue that. And plus, if you guys saw my video where I was unboxing my MacBook Pro, I tell you guys why I prefer the silver color, and I just do. I don't know, I just like it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing. This is what it looks like. I'm like literally looking at it from the viewfinder for like the very first time. It's very thin. I don't know. Let's compare it with my old MacBook. So this is my old MacBook, and then this is my new one. Let's see. So I don't know, it doesn't seem that much. I mean, it's bigger obviously, but for it being 16 and that one 13, it doesn't seem like too bad. I thought it would be like too overwhelmingly big, but it's not. I feel like it's pretty good size. Alright, and obviously in the box we have the pretty boring stuff, which is the charger, and then the cable, and then the charger, which I thought the charger would be smaller, but it's not smaller. I feel like it's the same exact size of the one that I have. So yeah, charger and cord, nothing really exciting, I mean. And then I think these are just probably the instructions, which we do not need. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. Oh my goodness gracious, now it feels big. Okay, so let's take this thing off. Oh, and it's turning on, yay! Ooh, let me look at it. Oh, I love it. Alright, so I was sort of setting everything up, as you guys can see. Obviously the screen is a lot bigger to what I'm used to, and I love it. I think it's awesome. Even the trackpad is bigger. The keyboard, it seems a little bit, oh yeah, it feels a lot smoother than my old keyboard. So this is what my old computer used to look like, and this is, which is just bigger, it's newer. It doesn't have, so it's like the whole screen. It doesn't have like the big black border that my other one has. And then obviously we have the speakers on the side, and just the keyboard itself seems like much nicer. And I have the touch bar up here. So I'm obviously going to do another video kind of showing you how I customize my MacBook. I have so many ideas that I'm going to be doing. I do want to show you guys a little bit of the accessories. This is like connecting. It's taken a while. I'm not sure why, but it's connecting to my Apple ID. Oh my god, putting it side by side, this computer looks so small and tiny. Okay, I'm going to show you guys some of the accessories that I went ahead and got. I didn't get a ton of accessories. It's not like I went crazy. I just got what I think was necessary, which what I do want to buy is like a silicone cover for this one, because I know with my old one this thing got pretty dirty really quickly. So that's something that needs to be like on my Amazon wish list for next time I go on Amazon. All right, let me show you guys what I got. So like I said, this computer is going to be mostly at home. Really, I'm working from home. I do my videos at home, so I won't be traveling that much with this computer, I don't think. I mean, I might, but I do have my iPad Pro, so I use that all the time. So this is just kind of for work and some videos, because actually I like to edit my videos on my MacBook, on my iPad Pro, which is something else that I should probably do a video about. But I still wanted to protect it, just even if it's just going to be here at home. So I went ahead and I got this case from Amazon. It's not a case, it's like a sleeve. It's very thin, it's nice and like millennium pink, at least I think it is. And I really like it. It's magnet, and inside it's really nice and soft. So I feel like it's going to be nice and protected. And it also came with a little pouch for your charger and like different accessories that I'm gonna have to get for this computer, because as you guys know, this one no longer has like the SD slots and stuff, so, or the HDMI slots. So I'm probably gonna have to get the adjustable thingy-majiggy later on. And then I actually also got, which is something that I've never had before, but it is a skin for the MacBook Pro, and this is pretty much amazing. I didn't want to get a case this time around just because I have heard, and I might be wrong, who knows, it might be completely false, but I have heard if you put a case on your computer, the fans don't work as well, which is probably not true, because on this computer I've had a fan for, or I had a case for as long as I can remember, and it has worked perfectly fine. So I don't necessarily believe this, but at the same time, I don't really want a case this time around. I kind of want to just risk it, and I'm just going to put a skin. So this one I got by Unique Find. I believe it was around $24, which seemed pretty decent to me. And I got the blush marble, I think. I don't know. It looks a lot more purple on screen, but it isn't. It's more of like a pinkier red color. I love it, and I'm gonna be putting this on. So I'm probably gonna do another video soon, kind of showing you guys how I customize my MacBook Pro and everything I'm gonna do to it. So for now, this is it. Pretty short video, but I mean, what else? Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and set everything up. Well, not really. I just sort of, yeah, I kind of connected to iCloud and just kind of followed along with all of the accepting and not accepting situation. And it's basically set up. Obviously, I haven't put my own background. I haven't really customized it. I did enable my Touch ID, which I'm very proud. And this is what it looks like as of right now. And now I have to actually go to work. So I have a Zoom meeting in a little bit, and yeah, I'm probably gonna spend the day customizing it and kind of making it my own. Like I said, I will be making a video of kind of all the things that I do to it. But that is basically it for today's video. It was just a quick unboxing. At least I hope it was a quick unboxing. And yeah, let's actually try it out into my little case. See how that looks, right? Right? Let's see how that works out. Let's see if it even fits. Whew. It's gonna be a tight fit in there. That's awesome. Yeah, it fits right in there. That is so cool. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time with my next video. I don't know what my next video is going to be. I have 2 in mind, so I don't want to say. We'll see. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.